I regularly consume boiled corn for breakfast, yet I've heard claims that it's not recommended because it can raise my blood sugar levels. Is that accurate? Corn is a nutrient-rich food that provides energy at the beginning of the day. It can be enjoyed in various forms such as corn sticky rice, corn soup, grilled corn, and boiled corn. However, the most beneficial and practical methods are boiling or steaming it. Boiled corn not only preserves numerous nutrients but also contains a lot of water, aiding the digestive process. Corn is packed with significant amounts of lecithin and vitamin E, which are crucial for the health of the heart and blood vessels and contribute to slowing the aging process. Notably, corn germ contains high levels of unsaturated fatty acids, essential for growth and development and for maintaining healthy immune function. These nutrients also aid in reducing cholesterol buildup on the walls of blood vessels, thus softening the arteries. Additionally, corn is a great source of fiber, including soluble fiber that helps manage bad cholesterol and supports the cleansing of blood vessels. Nevertheless, people with diabetes should be cautious with corn consumption due to its high carbohydrate, starch content, which can rapidly elevate blood sugar levels. Those with digestive issues should also eat it sparingly, as its high fiber content can lead to an increased digestive burden, causing symptoms like bloating and indigestion.